Hello guys, thank you so much for enrolling in this course, and I would like to invite you over to the other platforms that I'm available on. So if you're trying to connect with me on Facebook or LinkedIn, I would give you a quick peek into what are the different platforms that you can contact me. So on Facebook, I have a private group with the name Salesforce Students. It's one word. So you go ahead and go to your Facebook, and you can see here, this is the name of the group, Salesforce Students. You can send me an invite to join this group, and I will usually accept that in a day's time. So that's the group here. So you can go ahead and click on the invite. If you're trying to share any posts that are related to other people courses, please don't do that because I usually don't approve those requests. So anything specifically to the course or the doubts that you have, you can post your query in the group, and I will respond to you. The other thing is I also have a Facebook page with the name MyTutorialRack. So you can go ahead and like the page. I try to put a lot of content or a blog post or videos, etc. So all those things are available. So you'll get notification every time we post something new. So that's another platform that you can connect with me on Facebook. Then the second thing that you have is also LinkedIn. So on LinkedIn, you can go ahead and go over to LinkedIn. There is a page, which is my company page, which is MyTutorialRack. You can go ahead and connect with me over there, or you can even send me a invite to my LinkedIn as well. So this is the MyTutorialRack company page that you can follow, and we do post all our blog post information and upcoming courses and stuff like that on LinkedIn as well. And another thing I would recommend you is once you have gone through the course, you will, at the end of the course, you will get a course completion certificate. I really like if you can tag me on that certification and also kind of like share it on your LinkedIn, and that'll basically help you to kind of get highlight on my profile as well. And I really appreciate if you guys do that. Once you've finished the course, or if you really like the course, if you have a feedback, then you can always use these channels. So LinkedIn is another way that you can connect with me. I also do have a website, which is MyTutorialRack.com. This is the place that you can always watch my videos, also kind of get my subscription. I have a monthly subscription as well. So there is a MyTutorialRack.com is the website that you can connect with me over there as well. If you want to send me an email, you can email me at info@mytutorialrack.com. And that's all. So try to connect with me at all these places, and I'm so looking forward to talking to you guys. Thank you.